What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Exotic Whips, and I am here doing an in-depth look at the 2012 C63 AMG Black Series. We're going to be doing some mountain road video today. It's a pretty sweet road called Mount Lemmon in Tucson, Arizona. It'll be fairly empty, I hope, because it is a weekday. There shouldn't be too much bicycle traffic, which there normally is. But anyway, this is the 2012 C63 AMG Black Series. This is my daily driver. Has Weistec Tune, Weistec Headers, Weistec Exhaust, Weistec TCU Valve for the transmission, and what else? Oh, rest of world intake boxes, row intake boxes, because we get screwed here in America due to emissions and stupid shit like that. So I had to get the things that everyone else in the world gets. So anyway, I'm gonna try and give you an in-depth look at this car. Just take you through some of the features, and then we should be doing some driving later on. So yeah, let's get to it. At the back, got the Black Series badge, and this car has the full carbon fiber package. So we got the carbon fiber rear wing that goes down to the carbon fiber diffuser, which is pretty sick. Anyway, work our way towards the front. Big old cross-drilled, slotted rear rotors. You guys might know this, but these wheel liners are actually like tarpet. It's the first car I've owned that it's been like that. I think even I had an Audi R8 V10 and that one wasn't even like that. Carbon fiber mirrors. Then you get to the front. Huge cross-drilled, slotted rotors. Big ass caliper. Okay. And then the massive front spoiler. A rock in there. How'd that rock get in there? There it is, the beast. A little dirty. Tobias, you the man. Alright, let's hop inside. Take you through some of the features in there. Alright, so this particular car has the optional rear back seats, which not all the Black Series came with. It was an option. They came as standard without back seats, and whoever spec'd this car put them in there, which is pretty cool. I don't know, I never use them, but it's cool to have the option. Alcantara inserts, red stitching, red belts, badass steering wheel. I love that wheel. Super thick Alcantara on the sides, and the carbon fiber just keeps going throughout. Inside, let's start it up. And this is pretty cool. It's got the optional AMG, I forgot what it's called, the actual option, but you push this little guy here, AMG Performance Media pops up. Switch through all these things. We'll play with that a little more. Of course. G meter, track, 0 to 60. It's cool stuff. Anyway, let's get some exhaust noise for you guys. Alright, so we are in the Black Series now, heading to an epic mountain road that I am hoping does not have too much traffic today. Since it's the middle of the week, it shouldn't. Everything should be alright. But yeah, we're in the Black Series, and it's not a bad spot to live. Now, if you are like 80 and you have a bad back, then it's not going to be comfortable for you. We have a flashing battery light.